Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. This is the weekly watch list for March 28th, 2022. So in this video, we're going to go over S&P futures, crude oil, Bitcoin, all the usuals. Kind of give you guys where I think the market's going, what happened last week, and then where I think we're actually going this week. So let's jump right into it. So last week I said, hey, we were in the downtrend. This channel, right, broke out, continuation. I said to watch for this 45 35 to 4600 level. I drew this last week and I said expect a rally into it and then a reversal. Well, guess what? We're right at the 61.8. I think with the way we closed today, there should be more momentum to the upside, maybe all the way up to this 4600 and then the potential reversal. I personally don't think there's the all clear. I think there's too much stuff going on in the overall markets with everything going on with Ukraine and just inflation and kind of rising rates and all that. So we're looking at just a little bit higher, I think. Watch this, probably watch this low volume node. That's probably where we're going, is that 45.75. We have a double top here, and probably going to retest that. And then, like I said, I think a potential reversal from there. So be careful out there if you're trying to short. I think there is a little more upside to that going on. Now let's take a look at the NQ. NQ, kind of the same thing. I say, hey, we'll probably trade around this box. We did. Let's remove this. And I would probably say with the NQ, because it is looking strong, I would probably say watch this, right? Because it's right before the low volume node. So we'll say 15 and a quarter, 15,125, somewhere around there on the NASDAQ. I do think there's, like I said, this feels like a dead cat bounce rally. It's a strong one. Remember, when you're in downtrends, you do have rip your face off rallies, and then it rolls back over and makes new lows. I personally don't think the lows are in for this entire move. I think there's just too many headwinds coming through. So NASDAQ a little higher, and then potential reversal. But first, check this out. Make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, to sign up for the $99 lifetime subscription special for the weekly S&P Emini trade zones. These are zones where I give you resistance, support, open gaps, and open VPOCs for the following week trading. You also, in the member section, will receive a 2-hour trade zone training video course where I teach you everything about the trade zones, how to draw them, so you could trade any stock, future, or cryptocurrency. And you also get the member section with all the resistance, support levels, and things like that to draw on any chart. So make sure you check it out. Links down below, but right back to the video. Okay, with that being said, let's jump right back in. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, I said I think we're going to 130. Kind of had a really sharp big move up, sharp move back down, and now we're slowly kind of working our way back up. So we will see. If we take out these highs, watch out. I think we could see 150 fairly quickly. Maybe it's on the news event, but that's where I do see it going up. And look at this. Crude oil at 112 is not going to make gas at $5-6 a gallon go any lower. So just kind of think of that. The more times you pump your gas, the more times you're going to think about leaving the house, going to Chili's, going to different places to spend money. So, and that kind of feeds on itself, and that's what slows down and turns into a recession. I said a couple weeks ago, I believe we were starting a recession, and I still stand by that. The longer food prices go up and also gas prices, rents, everything, and really wages aren't keeping up, be careful. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Kind of nice move on Bitcoin. We are sitting right here, potential triple top, 1, 2, 3. Does it break out? Listen, I've been very, very bearish on Bitcoin, saying I think we're going down here. I still do eventually, but right now I think the move is actually going to be higher. So let's draw a fib extension. We're going to use all this price action right here. We also have kind of a ascending triangle to the breakout to the upside, but watch these levels for resistance, okay, on the way up. Let's take a look at gold. Gold kind of going sideways, but it is still bullish. It's still holding in there. I think, again, if oil goes, the market rolls over, we might see kind of gold start to rise up a little bit. So if anything, I am bullish on gold. Silver, same exact thing, kind of coming down. Watch silver probably up above this 24 level. We might go retest these highs all the way up there at the 20, probably 28 level. AAPL, Apple. Apple's just been on a tear. Went from a 150 all the way to 175. In my option portfolio, there's a link down below. You should be able to see it where I'm selling puts on options. We sold some Apple puts on the monthly, and those are pretty much worthless, which is exactly what we want for income. So keep an eye on Apple. I think Apple's still, I mean, this is strong. And again, if Apple keeps going, the market will probably keep going, maybe get back up, make a double top, and then roll over. We will see. And then finally, Amazon. Look at Amazon. Wait, that's not Amazon, AMZN. I was going to say that looked weird. Back in the middle of this channel, right? Kind of double bottom with divergence, right? Really nice. W pattern. I'm going to say technically Amazon looks really good to go if we get above that 3,035 level, we'll call it. I think we might be able to see up here. And again, maybe that is what's going to drive the market higher over the next week or two. So, but be careful. Hope that helps. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon.